That big tree is down in the middle. The fence is gone. That's fucked up. This hoe still up there. Y'all are fucked up. The lights keep going off and on. Look at that face, girl. Lights just went out again as we spoke. Let's see. Is it gonna come back on? Yep, they came back on. Lights just went out. I was sending Charlene a snap and the lights was on. They went off. They came back on. They went off. And then they went off. And now they still off. I'm in my room. I just lit Francis' room up and shit. Who the hell running water? In a tin tub. This some bullshit, Charlene. The lights is they officially out.
She at the news station.
No, they got her in a hotel room right now, but she ain't mobile. We have ignition. So look, I saw two trucks. They was going around the corner with a little curve it by Treehouse Apartments, and then they did it back up, and then it came up the street. So I'm finna show you. We got trucks. I don't know what the fuck they doing. They better be playing with some power lines. Francis then left. Because something was happening with the car. Nothing bad though. You know, I actually been trying to send you a snap for like 2 minutes. You hear Jennifer Lopez going off in the background?
2,000 years later.
So, we need a write. So on this night of the pandemic, me and Shaunda was eating bacon sandwiches by candlelight, listening to A Kiss from a Rose by Seal. Don't get no more magical than that. This is when I knew 2020 was a bitch. Yeah.
Now make sure y'all like and share this video and subscribe to the Queen's YouTube page. Until next time, bye.